Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we are joined by RJR's Group Corporate Affairs Manager and Director of Sports Foundation, Yvonne Wilks, who's going to tell us what to expect from tonight's Sportsman and Sportswoman Awards. Welcome.
Welcome, Yvonne.
Well, thank you very much. It's my first visit to Daytime Live, one of my favorite programs.
Oh, wonderful. You
Great to be here.
I love her, but I just love her some more.
Okay, so where do you want me to start?
All right, so let's start with
a lot of stuff to tell you.
How many years has the award show been going on?
It's been going for 59 years. Wow. It's going to be 60 next year.
Right.
And we're hoping that will be something really special. The RJR Gleaner Group, however, had it now for just over 10 years.
Right.
Yes.
But it is one of the few awards in the world that's been going uninterrupted for 59 years.
59
and
years.
It's great that the property is owned by a company in Jamaica.
Yeah, awesome.
And it's tonight.
And it's tonight.
So what time can we tune in to TVJ?
Okay, so what we've done, because the award have grown so enormously, we have had to almost split it. So this year we're going to have a pre-award presentation between 6:30 and 7:30 in the Legacy Suite at the Jamaica Pegasus.
Okay.
21 nominees will be recognized there. This will be special awards, Easter School Awards, and the certificates of merits. Okay. 8 p.m., please. 8:15, sit down. Live, 8:30. And then we'll do all the other awards. So that would be the Chairman's Award, Iconic Award, People's Choice Award, and the Category Awards. Because actually, people sometimes don't recognize that even though we don't promote it as much as you would expect, we do represent 47 different categories of sports.
Wow.
So tonight, we're going to acknowledge not just track and field, basketball, surfing, chess, swimming, football. Everything will be recognized tonight. So it's a big night.
Yeah,
it's a big night for the country and for people who are into sports.
And it's a big night for
the big magazine.
Yeah.
Right.
So we're bouncing around now with 100 pages. We're going to give away 1,000 tonight. And 10,000 will be inserted into the Sunday Gleaner issue, which is...
So this is the first look?
Jan 90. These first two copies of print.
First two copies.
You're the first two people to see this magazine.
Right.
But what I would say to
do you realize what she just did?
Yeah.
She collected both for herself.
Absolutely. It's a woman thing.
It's rare.
One thing, though.
Keep this.
Can we say that for like... Can you get that?
There's one thing, though. If you buy this Sunday Gleaner, you will get this magazine free on Sunday.
Awesome.
So it's worth going out and buying.
And getting it.
Getting it, absolutely.
So,
one more thing before I go. Sorry.
You have some more time.
You know that we've set up a benevolent fund. We have done. And we have had quite a few checks coming in. We're going to be recognizing those people later on today. For those who don't know, can I just share the information that the account is with Victoria Mutual Building Society, and the account number is 466347755. Please donate.
466347755.
Yes. Please donate.
Okay. Awesome. Yvonne, what was your most memorable sports moment in 2019?
2019.
And you can go both male and female, or either or. Your personally.
Mine has to be Shelly Ann. When she came out with her baby, that was just a global language. That said many, many different things. Like when you have a child, it doesn't handicap you. You can still go and compete. Like I'm an athlete and I do very well, but I'm also a mother now. And there's a level of celebration. I loved it. That was my iconic moment. I have no other.
Who was the most nominations, men and women?
Oh, no, I can't disclose that. I can't disclose that. I can't disclose.
I was trying to give you the cue to say, no.
Tell me.
I can't disclose that.
Tell you.
But clearly, when Usain was in his prime, he more or less, I think he must have been maybe collected the most awards. Because I think he was Sportsman of the Year for 4, 5, 6
yes,
consecutive
yes.
years. Yeah.
I was wondering if one year I could.
You could what?
You could what?
Thank you. Let's go
Why
again.
both of you have just come at that stuff? You could what?
You could,
You could what?
What, Duffy?
You could compete. But you're not a sports person though, are you?
Maybe we
You're
can
an
have like
entertaining
a
person.
maybe we can have a
Hold a
comedy
second.
sports show.
Hold a
of
second.
some
No, but
sort.
I can see you on the stage doing a song and a dance. But not a running.
Miss, don't let me go first name basis, because Duffy we got everyone.
Run with it.
Award for what?
No, man, I have. Yeah, lots of sports.
Really?
Football,
Okay,
track and
so what
field,
is your passion?
cricket. Well, I'm really passionate about basketball now.
Okay.
But I played a lot of sports. Cricket, basketball, track and field, football,
Wow.
volleyball.
I feel
you're
really
being
bad.
so
I
sweet.
have
No, that's
I
okay,
have no
that's
passion
okay.
for sport.
That's okay.
I admire people who do.
I'm not brushing the dust off, but hey.
Yvonne, remind us of the time to watch and who are
Okay.
our hosts tonight.
Okay,
Right.
we have the absolutely splendid Dahlia Harris
Woohoo!
and the
Dahlia.
never growing old, never well,
Dahlia.
Dahlia. Okay. It starts at 8:30 on TVJ.
Live on TVJ.
It will be
yeah.
live on TVJ International, going straight into Cayman. We have 22 countries in the Caribbean that will also be carrying it. And we must not forget Hits, RETV, and One Spot.
Awesome.
We're everywhere today.
The earlier awards that you told us about from 6:30 to 7:30.
Yes.
Will that be aired on any platform?
Yes, it will be. It's on Hits.
Right.
But well, let's go at the other way. It will be aired, but it won't be live. So what we'll do is we will package it. When we do the rerun of the awards,
Right.
that will be part of it.
Okay. Awesome.
But what it did for us, it literally cut an hour out of the viewing
Right,
time.
the viewing time and the
people
airtime.
love the award, but nobody wants to sit there all day watching it.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Yvonne.
Thank you.
Awesome job as always. All right,
Yeah.
so that's it. Thank you for tuning in to Daytime Live.
Look at the new John Wick.
You're feeling yourself.
The new
You're
John
feeling
Wick.
yourself.
No, the black John Wick.
We're back on Tuesday, all right?
Yeah.
You're going to come back with a John Wick look next week.
We don't know. With much more buzz and chat, vibe, and mix.
Mix.
All about it, Daytime
Be
Live.
safe, right?
Nice. So, clear.
Have a great weekend.
Out.
Remember.